Abbreviation used in medication. In this video we are know about abbreviation, derivation and meaning of medication. AC antecedent means before meals. PC postcedent means after meals. AM antemeridian means before noon. PM postmeridian means afternoon. Alt die alternis diebus means alternative days. OM omni mane each morning. OD omni die means daily. OM omni noc means each night. HS horasomni means at bedtime. CM crash mane meaning tomorrow morning. PRN prori nata when required. SOS see opposite if necessary in emergency. BD BID Bisin day means twice a day. TID TDS Torin day means QID quarter in day means 4 times a day. Starting means at once. H hora means hour. Hour means 1 in 1 hour. Thanks for watching my video.